Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel, and today we have the comparison video between the Maruti Suzuki Espresso 2020 BS6 version and the Maruti Suzuki Alto 2020 BS6 version. So to start with the exterior of the Maruti Suzuki Espresso, the Maruti Suzuki Espresso gets a twin chamber headlamps as you can see here at the front, and the Maruti Suzuki logo and the nameplate with the Espresso name. Other than that, the Maruti Suzuki Espresso exterior is inspired by an SUV, which makes the vehicle look more fearful and more humongous. So to talk about this is the base version of the Maruti Suzuki Espresso and is the LXI version. And to talk about the wheel, the Maruti Suzuki Espresso gets a squarish wheel arches with 14-inch tires. So this is a base version of the Maruti Suzuki Espresso and does not have the body colored ORVMs nor the keyless entry. So now let's see the interior of the Espresso. Interior of the base version of the Maruti Suzuki Espresso, and as soon as we enter you can see here it does not have the power windows and has the bottle holder and other space to keep the things. And we can also see the SRS airbags mentioned here. Both the Maruti Suzuki Espresso and the Maruti Suzuki Alto 2020 BS6 version have the front passenger and the driver side airbags as standard for the safety purpose. So in the Maruti Suzuki Espresso, most of the features are available here in the center console area, and here you can see the options to control the AC. And above that we have the hazard button, and here we have the basic music system. So since this is not a top end model of the Maruti Suzuki Espresso, we have the basic music system, and in the top end version of the Maruti Suzuki Espresso we'll get a touchscreen infotainment system with the features such as the Android Auto or the Apple CarPlay. And here we'll have a look at the Maruti Suzuki Espresso's glove box. So we can see here it has a good amount of space here in, but the Maruti Suzuki Alto 2020 BS6 version has more space than the Maruti Suzuki Espresso's glove box. And here we have the space for the two bottle holders and the space to keep the mobile when we have kept it for charging. And other than that we can see here 5-speed manual transmission and the handbrake of the Maruti Suzuki Espresso 2020 BS6 version. So to talk about the prices of the Maruti Suzuki Espresso versus the Maruti Suzuki Alto, the base price of the Maruti Suzuki Espresso is about 3.7 lakh ex showroom price Delhi, and the price for the Maruti Suzuki Alto base variant is around rupees 2.95 lakh ex showroom Delhi. So we can see the variation of around 1 lakh here in the base variants of the Maruti Suzuki Espresso versus the Maruti Suzuki Alto. So it's almost around 80,000, and you can choose between the Maruti Suzuki Alto or the Maruti Suzuki Espresso for your first car or for your basic car. So now let us see the rear end of the Maruti Suzuki Espresso, and let's see the rear passenger comfort in this car. So to talk about spaciousness of the Maruti Suzuki Espresso versus the Maruti Suzuki Alto, the Maruti Suzuki Espresso is little bigger as compared to the Maruti Suzuki Alto, and three people can sit comfortably here at the rear seat of the Maruti Suzuki Espresso as it is flat. So this is the main comparison between the Maruti Suzuki Espresso and the Maruti Suzuki Alto, as the rear seat of the Maruti Suzuki Espresso is flat and is more comfortable. And to talk about the leg room of the Maruti Suzuki Espresso, here you can see I'm a person of height around 5 feet 10 inches and I can sit comfortably and have a good amount of leg room here at the rear. And other than that, we do not get any features such as the rear AC vents or rear power charging cable or rear power charging socket here in the base variant of the Maruti Suzuki Espresso. And this is how the interior of the Maruti Suzuki Espresso looks from the rear seat of the car. So it's a really well built car, but it does not have a dual tone interior as we compare to the Maruti Suzuki Alto, which has a dual tone interior even in the base variant such as the cream and the black color the Maruti Suzuki Alto has. Other than that, overall the Maruti Suzuki Espresso has more space as compared to the Maruti Suzuki Alto. So to talk about the overall dimensions of the Maruti Suzuki Espresso, it has a length of 3565 mm, a width of 1520 mm, and a height of 1549 mm. And here at the rear we can see the Maruti Suzuki logo with the Espresso badging. And the Maruti Suzuki Espresso gets a signature C-shaped tail lamps as you can see here at the rear. And to talk about the fuel capacity of the Maruti Suzuki Espresso, it has the fuel capacity of 27 liters, whereas the Maruti Suzuki Alto has the fuel capacity of 35 liters. And to talk about the power of the Maruti Suzuki Espresso, it generates a power of 50 kilowatt at 5500 rpm and a torque of 90 newton meter at 3500 rpm. And the capacity of the Maruti Suzuki Espresso is 998cc, whereas the capacity of the Maruti Suzuki Alto 2020 BS6 version is 798cc. So now we are seeing the 2020 BS6 version Maruti Suzuki Alto LXI base variant, and as you can see here there have been several changes in the front design of the Maruti Suzuki Alto. So the Maruti Suzuki Alto 2020 gets an elegant new grille and the front bumper, which adds a new appealing look to the exterior. And the vehicle now comes with a dynamic new Aero Edge design along with the body colored ORVMs. So this is the base variant of the Maruti Suzuki Alto, and let's see the interior. So to talk about the interior of the base variant of the Maruti Suzuki Alto 2020 BS6 version, here we have the space for the bottle holders, and as I mentioned before, we have the SRS airbags for standard in both the Maruti Suzuki Espresso as well as the Alto. And here we can control the headlamps of the vehicle, and this is the AC vent for the driver side. Other than that, to talk about the instrumentation cluster, we get the analog instrumentation cluster in the Maruti Suzuki Alto 2020 BS6 base variant. As you can see here, we have the speedometer and the odometer, which is currently not on since the ignition is not turned on. So to talk about the music system, this is a basic music system installed by the dealer, and we'll get it a screen infotainment system in the top end model of the Maruti Suzuki Alto, and here we have the options to control the AC and the other things. So as I mentioned, the Maruti Suzuki Alto 2020 BS6 version gets a dual tone interior. As you can see here, we have a cream color mixed with the black, whereas the Espresso gets a single black color. And here we have the space for the two bottle holders and a space to keep the mobile, and a 5-speed manual transmission along with the buttons to control the power windows at the front. So now let us see the glove box, and it looks really good and elegant as compared to the Maruti Suzuki Espresso, which comes with a single color. So here in the Alto, it comes with a mix of black and the cream color here in the interior, which makes the interior look more better as compared to the base variant of the Maruti Suzuki Espresso. So guys, I'm just speaking about the base variant of the Maruti Suzuki Espresso versus the base variant of the Maruti Suzuki Alto. So you will have a lot of changes in the top end variants of the Maruti Suzuki Espresso as well as the Maruti Suzuki Alto. I'm talking here about the base variant since the price of the base variants of both the cars is too less and is very much affordable by everyone. So now let us see the rear seats of the Maruti Suzuki Alto, and let's see how much comfortable it is. As I mentioned, the Maruti Suzuki Espresso gets a flat rear seat, and the Maruti Suzuki Alto does not get a flat rear seat. It has little bulge here in the middle that cannot be observed in the video. So now let me sit and check with the leg room of the Maruti Suzuki Alto 2020. So as I sit here, you can see it is a little bit congested for me. I'm a person with a height of around 5 feet 10 inches, and the legroom in the Maruti Suzuki Espresso is more as compared to the legroom in this Maruti Suzuki Alto. And here you can see the interior of the front, and we can see the dual tone interior there. It comes with a cream color and the black color in the Maruti Suzuki Alto, whereas the Maruti Suzuki Espresso comes in a single color in the base variant. So now let us see the dimensions of the Maruti Suzuki Alto, and it comes with a length of 3445 mm, a width of 1515 mm, and a height of 1475 mm. Whereas the Maruti Suzuki Espresso has an height of 1549 mm, which is much more than the Maruti Suzuki Alto. And here at the rear we can see the Maruti Suzuki badging and the Alto badging. So the Maruti Suzuki Alto is available in 6 colors, that is Uptown Red, Silky Silver, Granite Grey, Mojito Green, Blue and Solid White. So the color we are seeing here is the Granite Grey. So as we discussed before, to talk about the fuel capacity of the Maruti Suzuki Alto, it has around 35 liters of fuel capacity, whereas the Maruti Suzuki Espresso has only a fuel capacity of 27 liters. And the engine type available in the Maruti Suzuki Alto is the F8D petrol engine, whereas the Maruti Suzuki Espresso comes with a K10B petrol engine. And the number of cylinders available in both the Maruti Suzuki Espresso and the Maruti Suzuki Alto are the three. To talk about the power of the Maruti Suzuki Alto, it generates a 35.3 kilowatt at 6000 rpm and a torque of 69 Newton meter at 3500 rpm. So to talk about the prices of the top variant of the Maruti Suzuki Alto, it is around 4.36 lakhs ex-showroom Delhi price for the CNG variant.